Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to easily buy Dogecoin on Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now. It has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%, and if you use the link in the video description you save another 20% on trading fees, so that you only pay 0.08% on fees. Then you register on Binance, deposit some money, and the money you deposit, you can see here I have 500 euros, and now you only have to type in how much you want to invest in Doge. For example, 500 euros. Then you see how much Doge you will get, and the only thing you need to do now is click on buy Doge. How you do that step by step I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page where you just type in your email and choose a password, and also the 20% trading fee discount is automatically activated. Then you click on create an account, and after you created your account you just log in at Binance, go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go here in the menu and click on identification. The identification is only needed if you want to deposit fiat money. If you just want to deposit Bitcoin to buy Dogecoin, you don't need to do this, but I think most of people will do that, so just make sure to do identity verification. Therefore you just click here on verify, then a step-by-step guide will pop up and you just type in some information about you and upload your ID, and that's it. Also you have to do advanced verification, therefore you just click here to verify your address, and after it you can deposit money. Therefore you just go here in the menu and click on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you can choose your currency and your payment method. Beside bank transfer you can also use credit card, and after you picked your parameters you just click here on the amount you want to transfer. So for example 500 euros. You also see your limit. If you did the verification you can deposit 200,000 euros a day. I think that's pretty nice. And after you just click continue, then you get the bank details for the wire transfer, and after 1 or 2 business days the money will be in your account. When the money is in your account you can click on buy crypto and then on cash balance. After you will come to this page where you can buy crypto. At first you can check if your money is available. You see I have 500 euros available, and the second thing will be that you just choose your coin you want to buy. For example Dogecoin, just search for it and click on it, and now you see the Dogecoin chart in US dollar. And the only thing you have to do now is to type in the amount how much you want to invest. For example 500 euros, then you see the amount you would get, and the only thing you need to do now is click on buy Doge. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to use the trading fee discount in the video description. Have a nice day. Bye.